Got him. All right, enough of that. Drop us a comment if you know who that little guy is. Hi there, welcome to the shop. Let's uncover 6 essential woodworking tools every beginner needs. When you're just getting into woodworking, it's easy to get overwhelmed. There's thousands of tools out there and you might be wondering, where do I even start? Today I'm going to show you the 6 most important hand tools every beginner woodworker should have. With just these 6 tools, you can measure, cut, shape, hold, and join wood. And yes, start making some sawdust. Let's see what we can uncover. First, you'll need to be able to hold on to the things that you're working on and keep them from moving around. This tool category is fixtures and hold downs. The first item you're going to need is at least two of these F-style clamps. These clamps can be used as fixtures and hold downs and can act like additional hands while you work. You can generally use these around any surface or table where the thickness of the clamp plus your item that you're clamping can be held onto. These are 6-inch versions, and you can also get them in a 12-inch version. Second, you'll need to be able to measure and mark accurately. This tool category is measuring and marking. The sooner you start practicing accuracy, the sooner your woodworking projects will take on a more refined look. A tape measure and a combination square will let you measure, mark, and check for square, and without accurate layout, nothing else fits right. Using the same set of tools together can help you gain mastery quicker. Try to use the same tape measure, square, and pencil each time you measure and mark. Thicker squares or thicker pencils can mean an angle adjustment to get the line to land where you want. Using the same square and pencil will help you form that muscle memory, and in no time your lines will be landing right where you want them to. Third, you'll need to be able to cut what you have held down and measured. This tool is cutting. Next up is the handsaw. This tool gives you the power to cut boards to length and size. No power tools required. We prefer these pull-style saws because they actually offer a cross-cutting and a ripping blade. We find that pulling the saw to make the cut doesn't result in bowing the saw blade like common handsaws. Be very careful with these pull-style saws because their blades tend to be thinner and sharper. They will cut quickly if you get in their way. Fourth, you'll need to be able to clean up your cuts and refine your cuts. This tool category is shaping and refining. Next up is the bevel edge chisel. Even just 1 or 2 of these sharp edge chisels lets you clean up joints, trim, and shape woods with precision. Add a wooden mallet and you've got improved control and power. More on that in just a minute. Chisels can be intimidating, but they don't have to be. Many people think of chisels as specialty tools when they should consider them as an everyday essential. Chisels can be used to add a slight chamfer to an edge or to help fit a joint inside of another joint. Fifth, better woodworking projects come from smooth boards, and this tool can help. Next on our list of essential hand tools is the number 4 smoothing plane. A number 4 hand plane helps you flatten boards, remove high spots, and can leave a silky smooth finish that sandpaper alone can't match. This is the tool that really connects you to the feel of the wood. This plane can be used to joint a board edge nice and straight, or to flatten a board with a bit of twist and curl. The more time you spend using this number 4 plane, the more you'll start to reach for it. Trust me. A plane's number, by the way, represents its size in correlation to other planes. A number 1 plane is the smallest and a number 8 is the longest and largest. Generally speaking, they fall into 3 categories. Shorter planes, number 1 to 4 like this one, mid-length, number 5 to 6, and longer planes, number 7 and number 8. And finally, you need a tool to help align, assemble, and adjust things. This tool category is assembly and adjustment. Number 6 on our list is the humble hammer. From driving nails and pulling nails to tapping joints together, you'll use this more than you think. Just use caution when striking wood with a claw hammer like this one, because it can easily damage the wood. With just these 6 hand tools, you can hold, measure, cut, assemble, and refine your work. You don't need a giant workshop or a truckload full of power tools to start woodworking. Just these basic tools, your 2 hands, and the willingness to learn. In next week's episode, we're going to prove it to you by building this solid wood mallet using only the tools discussed in this video. As a bonus in the next video, we'll also teach you how to wrap handles like this so you can get a better grip on the tools in your shop. Till next time, friends, peace, love, and sawdust.